Good day, Del Rio High. I am your host, Paul Hawkemesser.
And I'm your host, Carl Ramirez, and welcome to Status Update.
In community events, La Casa de la Cultura is holding the Culture Chalk Art and Music Festival over at the Casa. We have Adán Cedillo for more.
Today I am here at the Casa de la Cultura, where there are many events that take place here. One of the upcoming events is the Culture Chalk Art and Music Festival that is coming up. And we spoke to one of the organizers here for more information.
Hi, I'm Lupita de la Paz. I'm the Executive Director of the Casa de la Cultura here in Del Rio, Texas. So the purpose of this event that we're going to be having, the Culture Shock Art and Music Festival, is going to be to bring artists together, both amateur and already advanced, people that don't consider themselves artists and people that have been working as artists in the community for some time, to come and express themselves and make our Brown Plaza nice and beautiful and colorful. So what can people expect when they come to Culture Shock? They're going to see live music, they're going to see live art, we're going to have some art vendors, of course some food vendors because we got to eat, but it's just going to be an explosion of art. Whether it's performing and visual art, we're going to have all of that accessible to the community for free. The week of this event is April 6th, so we're taking advantage that the solar eclipse is happening, and there's going to be a lot of movement in our community in celebration of the solar eclipse. So to start off, our live music, we're having Combo Cosmico. They're from San Antonio, awesome band. And we're also going to have a really neat installation. It's going to be here in our garden at the Casa de la Cultura, and it's going to be an installation specifically for the solar eclipse. It's called Now and Then. We have an artist from the East Coast that's coming in, and he's going to create this installation, and we'll have it up for a couple of days during the actual event too. For those people that want to participate in this event, we're going to have a link on our website and on our Facebook so you can actually sign up to be a participant. And you can sign up yourself and then let us know if you're going to have team members with you. And the date is Saturday, April 6th. It's going to start from 12 p.m. to 6 p.m. 70% of the score was going to be coming from the judges, and the rest is going to be the audience favorites. They are going to be awarded first place $300, second place $250, and third place $150. And then we have a lot of volunteer opportunities for those people that want to come and help. So just come on over and follow us online.
Gracias, Lupita de la Paz, for the information. And to the community, we hope to see you here on April 6th. This has been Adán Cedillo with Status Update.
Thank you, Adán.
Keeping in touch with our community, we would like to recognize Del Rio High School's very own Eco Action Club. We have Annalisa Arriola with more information.
A clean environment has always been an important part of every community. Del Rio, with its beautiful waterways and expanding park systems, is very neat all up to guard this. Thankfully, the students' Eco Action are taking charge in trying to clean and preserve the environment.
Eco Action started in 1992 with Mr. Williams, and now the present sponsor is Ms. Cortez.
I would recommend Eco Action to other people because it really helps people to get out more and help with the community, and it really shows them like how a change can be to the environment.
So some of the activities that we do, we have our meetings. Obviously, we have them every Wednesday. Or just about every Wednesday. We also do a lot of, we go around the school and we collect stuff from the recycling bins. And then, because sometimes they're a little messed up, so we have to go through and rearrange all the items. So we take, the plastics and we put them with the plastics, papers and we put them with the papers. And so we generally do a lot of stuff that, like that. But we also do cleanups like right now, which I think the cleanups are, kind of the funnest part because you get to actually be in the community and stuff. So it's pretty fun.
I would recommend Eco Action to other people, especially next year. We're going to have more projects to do, more fun activities like bird walks.
Some of the activities that we do in Eco Action are cleanups on the weekends and weekend meetings on Wednesdays.
Thank you, Eco Action, for taking care of our community and spreading awareness for this problem. This has been Annalisa Arriola with Status Update.
Thank you, Annalise.
Going back down to school events, our very own Media Set Club is hosting the RAM Film Awards, where students will be able to submit their own works of art for a chance to win trophies and be recognized. We have Luis Jimenez with more.
In an effort to showcase students' creativity and work, the Del Rio High School Media Tech Club will be hosting the RAM Film Awards. We spoke with digital media tech teacher and club sponsor Javier Herrera for more information.
The purpose of the RAM Film Awards is to showcase student art, whether this be through camera work, their writing skills, through screenplays, animation, photography even we've done in the past. There's a lot of talented young artists out there that we want to showcase, and we want to shine a light on them in the community. These type of things look really good if you're applying for film school or just anything having to do with broadcasting or film. Having, even if it's at a high school level, having that award, that you were recognized in your community is a great step forward, is a great way to get your foot in the door. The Ram Film Awards will be open to the school-wide student body, not just our Media Tech students or Media Tech Club students or students who are in the digital communication program, but if you're in the written art club, if you are in theater club, if any, just again, even if you're in no club but you wrote a script or you shot a short film, or you're a photographer that wants to, again, get recognized for your talents or compete, you can submit, and we will be taking those submissions in, and they will be judged. The Ram Film Awards will take place on April 19th. Our submission deadline is March 29th. If you are looking to submit, you can send a link to my email, which is javier.herrera@sfdr-isd.org. Or if you have a script or photographs, you can upload them to your student Google Drive and then send me that submission, or also to Ms. Almaguer at summer.almaguer@sfdr-isd. Or Ms. Villarreal, if you're participating from the freshman campus as well, arabella.villarreal@sfdr-isd. We encourage all the student body to participate and submit, again, to showcase your work, your ideas, your talent, and we want to make this a memorable event for everyone involved.
Thank you, Mr. Herrera. And students, we encourage you to participate to show off your artistic and creativity prowess. This has been Luis Jimenez with Status Update.
Thank you, Luis. And don't forget to send in your submissions.
Del Rio is becoming a global hotspot sensation with the upcoming lunar solar eclipse events. Join in visitors from every corner of the world. We have Gabriela Rodriguez with more information.
Following up the upcoming events, Del Rio Chamber of Commerce is hosting a one-time only Lunar Solar Eclipse Fest happening in April. We spoke with Bethany Gonzalez, Chamber Membership and Outreach, as well as Blanca Larson, Executive Director of the Chamber of Commerce, for more information.
It's going to be located throughout the city of Del Rio and the county. So we collaborated between the city, Valverde County, the Hispanic Chamber, our CVB, and the Del Rio Chamber of Commerce. Between all of us, we planned events for the whole weekend. Friday night is going to be First Friday Art Walk, and it's going to be downtown. And the Main Street program from the city of Del Rio is going to have vendors and food trucks on Main Street by the train station. And they usually do a great event, and it's a fundraiser for them.
So April 5th through 7th is our Music Fest. And so you have to buy your tickets online. It's $30 general admission, but we're also selling tables and box seating.
I'm hoping to get 5,000 to 10,000 people to look at the eclipse, but we have some consultants that we hired between all of us, and they say we're going to get anywhere between 30,000 to 35,000 people. So we'll see, So it's really important. The eclipse starts at 12:10:58 on the 8th, which is a Monday, and then starting at 13:28, which is 1:28, 31 seconds, we're going to have 3 minutes and 25 seconds of totality, which will completely dark.
So if you go to txsolareclipsefest.com, you'll find all our information of everything that's happening during that weekend. And so it's going to have places to stay if you have visitors that want to come down. It's going to have all the events. It's going to have the details of time when the eclipse is happening. And you'll also be able to just see what's happening in Del Rio on that website, because there's a lot of things happening in that weekend leading up to Monday, the actual total eclipse.
And then tell them about the app that we're getting.
And so we're getting an app, and it will be, so we're getting an app that's going to be on our website, and on that app it's going to actually tell you exact moment of when to look up and when to put on your glasses and when to take it off. And it's also going to have community alerts, so that way if something's happening you'll be alerted, hey, come out to the epicenter or come down to the music fest, this artist is singing tonight. So it's going to be able to go throughout the whole city, and whoever is here in Del Rio can download it. It's going to be absolutely free, and it's just going to be a go-to app to find out what's happening.
Thank you, Blanca and Bethany, for the information regarding the Solar Eclipse Fest. This has been Gabriela Rodriguez with Status Update.
Thank you, Gabriela.
And that concludes our show.
I'm your host, Carl Ramirez.
And I'm your host, Paul Hockemisser.
Make sure to tune in next time to
Status Update.